Hey guys, this is just a quick video and show you how to process that data once you get the raw data out of the receivers. Um, Critical thing there, just a side note, is when recording data with receivers, raw data like that, it's pretty much nothing really you can do to screw it up. It tells you whether the data is good or not. The only thing that you have to pay particular attention to is the HT, how you measure the HT and what it is. And typically what I'll do is carry a field book with me and measure the HT before and after and say where it was measured, bottom notch, center, phase center, whatever you use, just so as long as you record it, because you'll probably need it later on to regurgitate it. Anyways, when you download your T02, I guess, for this example, I'm going to use a T01 because I use a TSC2, not a TSC3 data collector. Just use your T01 file or T02 file. You just come open up TBC to the main menu and hit Trimble Access Services. The first thing that will come up is basically it want you to sign in. You don't really want to sign in, you just want to use its survey tools. So when it generates up over on the top right hand side where it says navigate to sign in, just change that to survey tools, and then you'll get two options here. And basically this is where you can change a Trimble Access file from an older file to a newer file. That's the file conversion. And then the second option is data processing, which is what we want. So then we'll just go in and select data processing. So it wants to know where the file is, so then you point it to where your T02 file is. I'm just going to pick up the one that I was doing here. Mine is called a T01, but T02 is the same thing as just a TSC3 file as opposed to that. And they're basically raw data files. Let's open that. Then we just select next. And it'll analyze your file. The problem you guys were having yesterday is you had RTK data and it's as far as you could get. But if the file is good, it'll take you to another step, as you will see here. It just takes a little while. Okay, so what we want is we want a CS RS PPP static position. So we select that. Then we go next. So we'll call the point name temp or test. You can call it whatever you like. Antenna manufacturer, you can change that to Trimble. I think it's the top selection. Antenna type, I'm guessing what it is you scroll down through the list, it's this one right here, R8 GNSS. Measured method, for now we'll say bottom mount, and if it was 1 point whatever your antenna in your field book. Which coordinate system would you like the results in? That's where you change that back to AD83. I usually go 2002. I don't know why. Basically, that's most systems are referenced in that. All of 2014 is there are more coordinates in there as there was in 2002. Okay, so this file will be sent to select the service proposing. Once completed, the results will be sent to the following email address. So here it is where you type in your email address. I'm going to type in mine. And you say send. And that's it. And what you do then is you just open up your email, and it could be as quick as that. Send, receive, which usually takes a little bit. Sometimes it's pretty fast. Just hit send, receive here. But anyways, it's as simple as that. And then you have your data, your post-process data with the, you just open it up and open up the PDF format, and you can scroll down and it'll have your coordinates, your MLS or your mean sea level elevation, as well as your orthometric height. That's about it. Again, the only thing that really involves human participation in this, is measuring the field measurement in the antenna height, and just make sure you just double check that and where you measured it to. Okay.